A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Hello everyone. I am Jazeb and my qualification is MPhil Education from Department of Education Hazara University, Mansehra, Pakistan. Today I am going to discuss the problems of education leadership. In this video I discuss the 8 main problems of education leadership. The education leader should be avoided in these 8 main problems. First of all, I discuss what is education leadership. Education leadership is a term applied to school administrations that strive to create positive change in educational policy and processes. Education leaders are trained to advance and improve educational systems or institutions. Education leaders usually are employed as school principals or administrators but take on additional roles such as department chairs or academic dean. Education leadership involves working with teachers and other educational professionals on systematic plans to improve educational programs and outcomes. Educational leaders in the industry include teachers, superintendents, principals, administrators, department chairs, provosts, and deans. Here I discuss the problems of educational leadership. There are many problems of education leadership, but here are the 8 biggest problems of educational leadership today as under. The number 1 problem is failure to communicate. The complexity of today's business world requires CEOs to be able to communicate on multiple levels. For example, you have to create a vision and persuade your team to make it their vision too. You have to connect on an individual level and inspire people to move from I to we. And you have to build trust by ensuring your verbal communication and your non-verbal actions reinforce each other. Effective communication is so hard because it takes commitment. You have to make effective communication a priority, and that takes discipline, consistency, clarity of message, and a willingness to keep it day after day. The, the second problem of education leadership is lack of accountability. If you notice that the big things are not getting done and good ideas fall through the cracks, you lack accountability. We all need scoreboards that tracks the result we want. Most CEOs know this, but putting this system into place requires self-discipline and focus. Build the system you need to support accountability and don't get distracted until they are a part of your operations. The number third problem of education leadership is isolation. Being a leader can be really lonely. You need to be the boss and sometimes you can't really talk through issues you are having with your employees, team or management team. The number four problem of education leadership is lack of honest feedback. It's not that people are dishonest. They just oftentimes are not asked to provide feedback or they hold back when they do. The number five problem of education leadership is lack of emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is so important. To have emotional intelligence is to be self-aware, be able to self-regulate, to have social awareness and social regulation. It's all about knowing your strengths and challenges and how you contribute to the outcomes of different situations. The number six problem of education leadership is thinking big picture and systematically. It's difficult for many leaders to pull themselves out of the day to day and see the big picture, but it's critical for decision making and for breaking down those silos and starting to work across the organization to harness the power contained in the resources of the entire organization. The number seven problem of education leadership is leading and managing change effectively. This is a fairly global challenge. Up to 70% of all change efforts fail, but it does not have to be this way. Particularly, mid-level managers can have a big influence on whether change is implemented effectively. This is why developing leadership skills and confidence within the mid-level management at organizations is so critical. The number eight and last problem of education leadership is poor execution. There are three reasons leaders fail to execute. First, they don't follow their own plan with discipline. Second, they fail to keep score on what matters. Third, they don't have the right people in the right jobs to make it happen. If you can assemble to these three puzzle pieces, you can put your company on track to win. Conclusion: leadership is a skill you can learn by avoiding these eight common educational leadership problems. You can lead your team and your company to greatness. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.